So first and foremost, like for performance and for cost savings, bare metal is king. We've come full circle back around from that.
Yeah.
So myself and my business partner, we come out of AWS Game Tech. So we had worked with AWS for a number of years, working with GameLift currently. Last 6-7 years, worked with a lot of customers using GameLift and other cloud-based scaling solutions for games. So the great guys like EdgeGap or Thora, GameEye, and so on. And those are great. Those give you a lot of reach and a lot of depth, especially around your launch, around finding your sweet spot. But as soon as you find what your kind of consistent usage is, that's the time to start rolling back in onto bare metal to reduce those costs. And external to even just the session-based multiplayer stuff and the game servers, the kind of server build distribution stuff, bare metal is king for things like running your game server on. If you're running your own backend, or you're using a portable backend like say Nakama or BrakeCloud, you can run that on bare metal using hardware that really suits those use cases. And similarly, something that actually we deal with a lot with studios that people don't often think about that bare metal is a great fit for is build servers.
Yes.
So, if you're running a multiplayer game, you need to be doing a build, 2 builds per day. You need to be running out a test server build, test client builds. Those take quite a long time depending on your engine. We can, as we can retailor the hardware to speed that up. But you can also hook that up to stuff like S3 buckets and so on, or automatic deployment of your new server builds right into your bare metal infrastructure for those session-based games, and automate all that process so that a lot of man hours, a lot of potentially time-costly human errors in generating new builds, deploying those new builds, getting those builds out to QA people to test, those can all be cut down by putting a hefty chunk of bare metal behind them.